Okay, the movie be a good evening, Wakro Life, and I say afternoon, and now morning. It's Akro Life Ekwechi to be outside this is your share. Baby, I will be a chia, will be a or frame Nana Safari Fianco, and chair and Mama Sote say, Jumedi Cassibi because we copon who crap mem. Now, said Jumedi no. Wouldn't man as if you be of fear copon and as a fear crap man as a worker. Last year, Basso Life. Na Niama Waye Nebra joining so this year, Basso Life. Yami next week, Saturday, Ebaso. Tiama Masote say, any CEO of Shimoni bidding Komwaba this year, Ward on party, every Basso copon crap. And say, one way good event organizers the DAO. But the person will briefly be Chemu Namotiasi, one toll ticket and wait to toll ticket. Yes, from Chairman, yes, Jumedi Ecoso is no near Imuna Ecoso has this year. Ocean Metia, you will fear High Street in a coupon, we will be out fear coupon album. We say, fear High Street in me. Event place now be at Anacasano. 1 year was this year. A coupon now around. I'll be to my pursuit to be about could be no Bashane Ecoso. And I say, oh, baby, so I'm messing up with can kind of share. You better short commercial break. Video now, you're born fit. I seen a video for the program. And person who should now we should video now to see you say next week Saturday. And you'll be the back Tuesday. Infant will be a break upon a brabbage when war. Alright. It's here for Yadamasi or Mumra the Manager Munyamaya Moshe and Cecilia. Sene Mama Soti, any CEO of Shimoni and Kasawa Ha. Pimpin Uncle Bibia friend Shimoni and Kasa. And remember my man and Kasa Bonnie. Charlie bro, Charlie look fresh.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Why fresh, then I'm very fresh.
I think I've started feeling the breeze of the program.
Wow.
And it feels good, you know. It feels good.
Wow, nice one. So what's it? The CEO himself, I don't know what kind of. Also, from an board program and one I'm fresh side. Chairman, Shimoni, Udi Ankasa today.
Imano Mankata.
Mantata. Mankata. Yeah. And the Wabuni di Ankasa show. 2 new di Ankasa Wabuni di show. Okay, Charlie. Still, I'm for Shimoni in the question. Last year, it happened live. The couple happened. This year, it's Henry Baby. Ward on party. This year, then I'm a woman.
We have a lot. As you can see, you've seen a lot of flyers circulating. A lot of flyers circulating at the moment. We have a whole lot of package, and you know, it's something we are trying to make a whole festival and a 1 week thing. As you can see, we are achieving it gradually. It's 4 days now. I believe from next year going, it's going to be 7. Maybe from 4 to 7 straight up. So just watch out. This year we have a whole lot of packages in there. We are introducing the Kinky Fest. we're introducing the ticket for the first time and all. Do you understand? We have something and it's a surprise for everybody. Let's wait for it.
Wow, something that is a surprise for everybody. And now, I'm perform about Aku Life a few, but you know, very man, on my perform kakenti, and the best so what I say. Before I go on, and maybe some next question, why the name? Dina monetization. Why that name?
Okay. Shimoni. It was a name I saw on social media. I loved it, and so I decided to find a meaning for it. So a lot of people think Shimoni is a gang or something. No, the name sounds really nice in the ears. The actual meaning of Shimoni is salvation has more offers than non-realistic enemies each alive. So it has a gospel aspect of it. It's our way to
I beg, come again, say it again. Charlie, Momani Kabi, didn't hear me there, but just a metamorphosis and I'm to me Kabi.
Alright, so as I said, salvation has more offers than non-realistic enemies each alive. That's Shimoni.
Alright, so Shimoni in a general group, no? General group, no? It's company. Yeah. Shimoni is company.
It's a company. It's a clothing and entertainment company.
Oh, wow.
Sure.
You guys are doing good work. Keep up. So, Shimoni, Niabinya Wardon. Why the name?
Wild on, you know, the actual meaning of wild on is you getting wild on something. Do you understand? I believe we work the whole time, and I believe you need to get wild once every year.
Nice.
You understand? We need to get wild once every year. So, you know, we're changing the entertainment phase. Do you understand? Change the entertainment phase. So we feel like we have this new entertainment package and a whole lot of different vibe all together. We think that people need to know. We don't want to do it on the street every day, dancing, hopping, and no, we should have a vibe.
White tie, Charlie. You know, not train them in my you say wild on here, Charlie. We are not to our so you say a wild or chilling and society across what I say. Welcome, I'm going to you because short commercial break. Before I go break, you know, you guys you did like chilling. Oh, favorite video we have say viewers and I say Shimoni for the show see but very question more.
Okay. I have this video I love it's a music video though. I love listening and playing it most of the time. It's Rush by Bella Shimeda, and the message behind that track is it got to a particular moment when I was trying to paint a concept to people. They seemed not to understand the concept. So all they used to be like, they feel like you're rushing. Do you understand? So the track say, them say I'm living in a rush because I'm moving fast. Because you are moving so fast and they can't catch up with the feet, the speed. They feel like, boy, radio rush. That's my message for you. Listen to that.
Wow. It's not by say we change your but the ways. Charlie, let's go and watch the video. We'll be back soon.
Them say I'm living in a rush because I'm moving fast. Them say my matter don't cast, but me I no reply. Why them asking me why? Violence getting high. Mommy I never reply, cause I wait, that's my way. Jesus Christ, she on my body divine. Why are you feeling down? Left short for ginger yourself. Time, chance, 50-50, life in a dice. Rich, poor, last everybody go fine. What's last everybody go fine. What's that's the Kenya, I was talking, my dog Ghana, I say shopping, Olofofo, keep on talking, keep on rocking, my dog Kenya, I was talking, my dog Riba, I say shopping, Olofofo, keep on rocking, I keep on laughing, I keep on learning. Jesus Christ, she on my body divine. Why are you feeling down? Left short for ginger yourself. Time, chance, 50-50, life in a dice. Rich, poor, last everybody.
Viewers, you know, must say, Munya Mary me. I commercial break about. Yes, I'm trying to accommodate so any sea of she money. The children come on, Waha, Kasaba, Wild On Party 2021, I Basoro, wake upon a crap, Yambra program no so Ankasa, then I must share my program from the day people are starting and activities we all before Saturday, and I say we all before Saturday and.
Alright, so as I was saying, we have a whole lot of packages. We're there to in place to entertain our people. We just don't want it to be just the fun. We drink, we dance to music. No, we have soccer gala on Thursday. That's the whole of Thursday, like from 9 a.m. to like 5 p.m. And we have I think FIFA tournament on Friday morning. Then car hype and bike show in the evening.
My per viewers in it say platform because I could like your sponsor per se viewers in it say FIFA tournament a nice program. I think it's good for the youth. Your mother account me interested. So how are you going to do it? Mobile and then various groups and us will be able to me by no Bobby.
Okay, with the FIFA tournament. I think that one is going to be an open floor for everyone because I know that thing. Me in particular, I don't play FIFA. I love to play Grand Theft Auto. So with that, it's an open floor for everybody. If you think, oh, power now, better power. Did you get it?
Mobile info.
It will be in the lounge. That's superb lounge.
The next one football, right?
That's the soccer gala. That one is going to be at a PUC pitch. A Kapong PUC pitch. That one there are various groups in a Kapong. Yeah, we have groups like AMG, Shimoni, BNF, a whole lot.
So viewers can also Thursday free FIFA tournament, free time.
Around 9
a.m. Starting of venue and I was superb. Football and so because so Yanka third one asked them about car and bike. How are you going to do it?
Sure. These days we have modern ways of entertainment and most people have cars now. So we believe us being a convoy, do you understand? Us being a convoy. And it's also a way of hyping the program to the next towns and other people that, it's coming on, so coming through, do you understand? So we being a convoy, we move from particular town to the other town. And we're going to have bike stands as well.
Wow.
Because we love, these days, the entertainment, and it's not just focused on one side. That's where you see the bikes, so those chairs and those kind of things. So that's how it's going to be like.
So anyone can join?
Sure.
All right. Until you walk car, or one car, that's anyone. Which might join it. That will be on.
That will be on Friday evening.
Friday.
Yeah.
Okay. That will be on Friday.
After the tournament, we hop to the car hype and bike show.
Wow. So like entertainment show ne was no ate. And then floor near shame on for the Charlie. Big program pursue a coupon crap is what I say. And then by no big catchings after Ujurande is the biggest program I pursue a coupon crap, which I support Pakoya Seminar kind because okay hyping a cosona. Now she send a wedding near Mego Aquarium and so it's a baby. If I cost short commercial before I be shame on it. I know say you love entertainment, right? I say and then floor near one day. Second video out of my viewers of Aku Life and shame on it fancy there.
Alright, so this time I'm going to go for cocaine and it goes this way. I say, me I know be mayor of Lagos, but I go show you CT. Your body's up to something. It goes out to my lovely girl, Charlie. Let's do this.
Alright, Charlie, say what? Until you call a short commercial break, you call near Babe. You didn't come on better, so right.
For a long time. I be looking for my Georgie. Drop me your contact, girl, you deserve that loving. Oh, turn me to high man. Are you cocaine or something? Oh. Me, I know beat me of Lagos, but I go own your city, girl. Your body's up to something. You give me overload. Are you cocaine or something? You put me on a low, low. Your body's up to something. You give me overload. Are you cocaine or something? You put me on a low, 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 low. I make your body join my body, cause your body want my body. Make I give you special loving, cause your body kill my congee. Make your body join my body, cause your body want my body. Make I give you special loving, cause your body join my congee. Cause I've been on your case, so and you've been wasting time. Cause I've been on your case, so you can't reach up my eye. Cause I've been on your case, so you can't waste my time. Cause I've been on your case, so you can't reach up my eye. Oh, baby, show me mercy. I'm the one searching. Omo ko gbe mi dele, omo ko ba mi.
Wow. You were said there will be as to say when you are Accra Life to share. Any in your brain, Sea of Shame Money. Sea of Shame Money. It's about 2021 Wild On Party. Everybody's wake up on Equapem. Then we go to train common. Shame Money. We say Yakasa from Thursday, program lineup from Thursday, Friday. Yeah, do Saturday, D-Day in Ankasa. When are you starting? And she sharing it today. I could see you. Briefly.
The main program is in the evening. The red carpet is going to start at 7 p.m. Then the main event is going to start at 9 p.m. But within the whole day, we're going to be around. You know, there's going to be a trade fair from Thursday till Sunday. That's when all the sponsors on board is going to showcase what they have for us. So the actual program starts from 9. But red carpet is going to start from 7 p.m. 9 p.m. we take up with a program run into the night.
Wow. Until 9 o'clock, let's say okay. So then the perspective of the day, I think you can't event place in one sem kakra. First you can't event place. Why that place?
You know, we all want to have fun at places that we can make snaps for people to understand, yo, Charlie, we're in a nice place, do you get it? So Superb is one of the biggest lounge and the finest lounge in Ekopon at the moment. There's no two ways about that. So we felt like if we are going to deal with the biggest party of the year, then it should be in the biggest lounge and the finest lounge as well. So we are not just giving you the party, but we're giving you a class place to have fun. That's brought about Superb Lounge.
Oh, thank you. Once you watch, so the beers see a boss we coupon, and I said they were coupon is Superb. Until we choose you on, you always go for good things. Until we choose you for this year. Until one cast will be pop in here, prepare. If you do your pop nice and good for them, they will come around and have fun over there. Okay. I know we say you're nice event place, you know. We need nice DJ, a nice machine. Then I can find actual viewers, you know.
There was a favorite line that I used to say that we never talk much, we just show action, we show work. And you know, I don't need to talk. It happened last year. You saw our DJs, they were on rotation. Of course, I can boast we have the finest, hottest DJs, finest, hottest MCs. Just come true.
So can you mention some of their names to us?
Alright, so we have Slim Beast. We have DJ Waps. We have DJ Montana, Mactonto, Easy Weezy. The MCs, me and myself, the finest, the hottest, your favorite boy, the glory boy, Juicy Shimoni, aka GBJ Money, aka I can't remember what he did.
I don't feel what they do. I don't feel what they do. So Charlie.
No, the only MC that have a whole lot of nicknames. Believe me, I go boy a lot. I have one of the finest, my only son, MC Wimpy.
Yeah man, yeah man. I know what you guys can do. So that day, you expected them for.
Fireworks.
Alright. She said, young, nice place, baby program and DJs and MC Seriba, nice place. I've seen young around there. There's some tickets around. Then Senator or tickets ceremony.
Sure. With the tickets, this time around we're introducing tickets because every good thing comes with a price. You have tickets on sale at the various outlets. It goes for this is how it looks like. And this is how it looks like. And it goes for 20 cities that particular day. But right now the advance tickets is out and it's 15 Ghana cities. So do well to grab it right now. You can call the official number 0555 766621. We're going to reserve your ticket for you. Make payment, we write your name, your location, then reserve your ticket for you. As simple as that. We have something here. It tells the ticket is legit. It's two signatures. It tells the ticket is legit. So every ticket, wherever you get it from, make sure we have this behind. Else, child, I beg you, do yawa. If you know there, you do yawa. If you read the gates, then go bounce you.
So, what kind of tickets, Okay, tickets, and I think it's a material one price, bro. About 50 cities in a area.
For now, it's 15 Ghana cities. That's 15 Ghana cities. That particular is going to be 20 Ghana cities. So I advise you get it now. That is 15 Ghana cities. 15 and 20, yeah.
Oh, sorry. 15 and 20. I think it's a cool. Brana Bejuani na young junior kakra. After paying 15 and 20 cities in it, do you have any package for us?
We also have table reservations. A lot of people don't like to walk to the bar, then they have to call waiters and that kind of thing. They don't want to go through that stress. So normally some call the official number, we reserve their seat. So when they get here, we walk them to their seats. Then we bring their drinks to them. Some people love to go with that comfort and that flow. So the table reservation ranges from 1,000 Ghana cities to 4,000 Ghana cities. You can check on the flyer what we have in there. Simple as that.
Alright. But the same number was be a booking now.
Yeah, the same number.
Online booking or another.
No. Online booking is when you have to reach on to our social media platforms. But apart from that, one number. That's what I've mentioned. 0555 7666 21. You call or text, we are there for you.
Alright. Shimon, see of Shimon here. I say, watch a day of program and send a program best start after any ticket in 170. Because last commercial break, Pese shoot a video of the program Nibium. Now unya failing, that was last year. Video. And Pese unya the failing. Now we send this year they be better. It's called short commercial break. Remember this year. Okay. Viewers said Obia say Ogosusha Akro Life say any other man shame money. CEO of Shame Money. Netwe income say about 2021 Wild On Party. Everybody saw a couple of superb. Nice place. One it was here, I don't know. Me pemuno, you very sure see bit more around when we say na environment in it oh baby. When you're feeling now, but one video now that was last year. Last year, because once another Shimoni and I broke it and the mic I did against or got porn money I did shall this year they don't mix it. Yeah, because Jumedia BDBA or Potai because it be our aim what did Juman maybe OHF is fun and quack can already. So Shimoni, CEO of Shimoni because I was Shimoni mostly no. Me follow much more programs are more than the football nyama pa wo mbebre this is the first time home and that's what TBB say motive was Jumedi anka say echi
with this entertainment thing we do, one is to change the entertainment face of Ekrapim. Two, we have a project we want to embark on. There is something we are still working on and we are still investigating. The question here is that why is it that youths of our environment, primary, JHS, high school, then we are done? This is one question I'm throwing out there. Why is it like that? Our school, we are limited to primary, JHS, high school, then we are done. What is going on? We are still investigating, and when we are done investigating, we find measures to make people push higher. You understand? I feel our environment, we are limited. That's how I feel like. I don't know whether I'm choosing my words right, but I feel our environment, we are limited. Do you understand? The third time we get mentors, the people that are doing well in entertainment, construction, the media, like all part of the professions in Ghana, in the world. The people that are doing well, I think it's high time they come down here, mentor us to go further. I feel they don't get any inspiration and mentors to make them feel like you can also do it. So push harder. So that's one project we want to embark on, but it's still undergoing investigation. We want to know why it's like that and what is going on. Because before you can solve a problem, you have to know what triggers that problem before you can solve it. So it's still undergoing investigation.
You people start something, or
we've started something. That's we investigating, and we are trying to channel the various authorities, the people we can do this with. You know, we can't do this alone. We are trying to channel the various authorities and the people we can do this with, then take it from there.
So for now, I think we have a big platform on Akro Life. Yeah. So what do you want to say to those people? You think you have to support us now or for so many years or whatever? They are some of the culture.
All right. They should come here, help us. That's the only thing I can say. You know, one time in Brown, you know, one be sure what is going on. They should help us get to the world as well, because if we are here, we have talents. Some are A students, like they are really good in learning and all. Then at the end of the day, they be winning, then we are still here, and then they acquire an by. Do you understand? So the people that are doing well, they need to come back. If they are back here, make we understand, yo, you can do this, push harder. Now create links for us as well. So we move through the when we move through that way. Do you understand? So it's all about the people coming, being willing to help us out and go. And two, we have something. I say most of the time we feel like and I already so and instead of no boss on oh yeah, a high. It's really disturbing us. Do you understand? It's really disturbing us. We have every now and then a man and say and I no boss or no. Let's put people in their right channel. If you think this particular thing we no bit my call the person to do it and do it well. Do you understand? Call the person to do it and do it. Ninja and now we say now we are paying and we yes and we yes. The respect needs to be given, but maybe we are there on so we need to call of them. We come together, unity. We come together, and we are to the world. As simple as that.
Alright, nice one. Say you're responding to advice when out of my colleagues our into entertainment, and I say advice when all my viewers in it or Shimoni team now.
The advice to my colleagues in the entertainment industry, it's not easy. Trust me. I never tell you say it be easy. It never be easy. Sometimes we go through hell to bring that gold you see. Do you understand? We go through hell to bring that gold you see. So it's never easy, but it's determination. The worry is over here. Me, I love to be challenged. I love you to tell me to me, and I'll do it. That is me. I enjoy being challenged. So that's how come I feel like whatever you want to say, that's what you want to say. It's your opinion. It's not my opinion. If I allow it to work on me, that means my job and one or no. You have your opinion. That's how come me. I feel like I hear someone is talking about me, someone is saying this about me. I wouldn't come out there to defend, because that's exactly what you're thinking. I can't change what you are thinking. Keep on thinking. But all I know is that my mom used to tell me something when I was a kid. It was like, Kwamina, do baby, no one will be or now only you fee, maybe feel free now. It be new ones are here. Oh, yeah, baby. Then you think, say, you are doing the right thing, and people are criticizing. Men should be keep on pushing. I have this thing back my mind, and it always triggers me. So when I hear you talking about me or you're talking about someone, you be in the entertainment industry, and there's something that happens, and I want to pass this message out there. If I hear you talking about me, I feel it's a show base. I need to be talked about. So I enjoy it. That's one of the things I enjoy. I mean, my executive, it triggers them. Yo, why this boy? They tried to spoil on our brand. I was like, no, point of correction, they can never spoil our brand. The more you talk about me, the more I'm trending. So I enjoy it. And I'm ready to be part of the showbiz, so Charlie. Sometimes if you do something where it's not what you're thinking, just for you to talk, and we are trending. It's simple as that.
What are you telling your friends or colleagues?
So they should keep pushing higher, like push hard. Do it, you can do it. There's nothing that you can do. You can do it, so push harder. Alright, so Charlie, you people know how we do. I'm not to talk much. We just show action. Let's show working, Charlie. It's 27th, but it start from Thursday. Come, let's have some mad fun. Let's do everything, so Charlie. Come through. I know me and you people they talk every day, so you know be today they can't talk. You're on my social media, on my fan base already, so Charlie, let's do this big time. Let's surprise them this time around.
Alright. What can you say, Charlie? Mama, have fun. You are very much Shimoni, CEO of Shimoni in the Church in Komaba 2021 World On Party. Reconcile Kopon. Again. Superb launch to a Kopon. Ufi Akraba. I think one address BBA or anything BBA say obey to my then obey Beba and I say Yeribe and you say you know last question please after Saturday Nessie.
No, perfect. You know, I think let me use this media too. Charlie, we are introducing something big, something different. That's the Kinky Festival. The Kinky Festival.
Charlie, Brebe. What's a Sunday? No, be special. When I say Saturday, we'll be doing any Thursday, Friday, Saturday, not Sunday. No, be special. Shimon, Sunday, then I'm over my.
We have the Kinky Fest, you know. Come through. Let's sit together.
Free.
It's free.
Wow.
Let's sit together, dine together. Let's eat kinky. Let's vibe. You know. Tell me what I did yesterday. Let's laugh over it. Let me tell you what you did yesterday as well. Let's laugh over it.
Kinky Festival never go away.
The same venue, Superb Lounge. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, there was to say we are trying to suffer on the way there. Or by I mean sure. I think Thursday or Friday, so they come home and say Aqua Life or they you're punk crowd. Final ways. And a shout out to your person my viewers name. Last video our person requested my viewers in the shame on it will be our about 2021 World On Party in the day.
So big ups to all my sponsors for making this possible. Big ups to everyone who's coming through this. Next weekend, Charlie, the total shutdown, countless sportings. And my last video, Joe Boy Alcohol. I love this track because it have a simple piece in there. The boy is trying to pass a message out there. Say, one of the 70 bro, but nobody understand. We just sip his alcohol, then we're very cool. So in 70 attitude, we are very good. Like all we do is just chill. We're very good, Charlie. So that's why I sip my alcohol.
All right, Charlie. Many Jimmy Yankan and because Shimon crew knew wow, we should share. You were superb with a don't phone him. Your mamma so to say any CEO of Shimon the Better and come on about 2021 World On Party Eriba so superb and next week Saturday, everything is allowed, but no overtaking. So what I say? Unto tickets, I got all tickets. Shimoni, I like some mirror buffalo. In case we be pay tickets in Ibi, no, or coupon and crapima, and I say tickets in Infinity.
Okay, so the various outlets is Ace of Spade, that is a coupon, the Total Filling Station, and I need that Clean Enterprise, Mobile Money Shop, Christ Junction, thereabout, Majesty Clothing, that's Amonocom, Gold House Pub, Amonocom, then you call the official number as well.
Thank you very much. How many did you make in the basic? Me, I did you made in on Chame or framing an answer for if Fiancon, Acro Life now, Gusushi, and even the best person be and say, Obesh and only be no aba. And you say, any genic be share new family. What I say, new business partners. I have the day, you return a coupon, Yamape, coupon, shame on it, not down on your coupon. But one won't be very stance. But a coupon for teach you and Ekita, no, internet or kind you hear push. A Jumano any years to come, not to say Bulare, top Nigeria star CB about that's the way events in India and I say Ghana, baby, I not work out any BJ. I hope the day no so no war potai, and one to class any J, so what I say, or a potai when you so person boy a coupon you crapaman, what on a coupon so then county. You whom fame. Chichu yen coupon for ne crapen for on Saturday moment superb. Me embra na ebe de embe chele or swatters. Me here so be big kakra de. I think say nyama na affordable swatters. Nyama na affordable. Thursday do another Saturday we into me in Bantam swatters. Thursday on ko baby a free TV game ekoso superb wa. Obobo free FIFA TV game ekoso. Na me ado ma Friday we will be on me riding kakra swatters. We a biker or I'll be to my driving into a coupon. You best start when that is Thursday, no.
We are we go assemble for here, superb lounge here. Then we go move together.
We'll be a coupon time 4 o'clock or 4 o'clock. By this time near Shemo Pepe, nice convert. You could float tonight and IFA. Yamia Doma football will be on Friday too. A football member on Friday. Charlie boys who are town, me say, Shimon is 7 years old, so Bobo because
that be the one of the surprise things. Charlie, that day, I say if you know play, no, I the word changes you. So if you know play, come make I show you something. You know, now I be rapper. Sometimes I wear switch cam football small. I mean, CC Emfa. Media entertainment, so Charlie, I just switch quick.
But that is over Boka one time. That is Shimon Nijamuma, Shimon number 10 and Casa. So what I say, now enumerate. So if you are crying now, don't park anywhere. Straight to a coupon, straight to superb. If you so many, if you baby, if you are gonna be now, Ribano, we see airport happening. Coffee crash straight to a coupon superb. Ni share on NJ Charlie. There will be ase. There will be ase okusushe Acro Life. I mean sure obi Charlie. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You the program next is Thursday be live. Friday be live. Saturday be live. Sunday be live. You data. I don't just say it bra.
Let me do something. Yo, Charlie, this is for Acro Life. Yes, I'm your finest, your hottest, your favorite boy, the glory boy, Juicy Shimoni. aka GVJ Money, aka the Entertainment Mayor, aka the Mike Beast. Charlie, keep on watching Acro Life. It's the best.
Yo, Charlie, we love you all. Last video for you from Shimoni, CEO of Shimoni. Bye bye.